Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I have a few new mommies in my channel. So yeah, they have constantly been asking me कि क्या करना चाहिए, बच्चे को कैसे संभालना चाहिए एंड मारना चाहिए, डांटना चाहिए या प्यार करना चाहिए, बिकॉज अगर मारते हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट हो जाएंगे हम, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू बिकम अ स्ट्रिक्ट मदर. और लोग कहते हैं कि छोटे बच्चे को मारना नहीं चाहिए. सो टू मैनी थिंग्स आर गोइंग ऑन इन देयर माइंड. सो दे हैव बीन आस्किंग मी कि प्लीज़ कम अप विद अ वीडियो so that we understand what exactly we needs to do. Yeah. So do not worry, all you new mommies, as I'm here. Let me unfold certain secrets for you today so that you understand the art of raising a child. Yes, it's an art. All moms who have gone through this phase will definitely agree to me, because there is no fixed theory, there is no fixed rule, there is no checklist that you can make and write for yourself कि ऐसा ऐसा करेंगे और आगे चल के our job will become easy. No, it is not. It's a lifelong process, first of all, that we have to go through. So for you all new mommies, this is just a beginning for you. So I can just say that, welcome to the gang. Yes, I've gone through it, so I can definitely explain you in a better way. I can share you my personal experience also here. Now, how to start this today? Because since there is no rule, there is no fixed way, there is no theory, what am I going to be telling you here? कैसे इस चीज़ को समझें कि एक बच्चे को कैसे संभालना है, स्पेशली न्यू बॉर्न और स्पेशली चाइल्ड बिलो 5 years. कैसे उसका ब्रेन डेवलप करें और क्या क्या सिखाएं बच्चे को और कैसे सिखाएं, कैसे गुड हैबिट्स इनकलकेट करें. लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन योर माइंड, आई एग्री. Yes, it was there in my mind too when I was in that phase, but since I have a lot of experience now, I can share you. Before we get into this, कि इस चीज़ को कैसे करें, कैसे सिखाएं बच्चे को, let me tell you a very basic thing and a very different thing over here, so that will help you transforming your thoughts completely right now, and you have a chance. Before things gets worst, you definitely can transform your thought right now so that it helps you in a better way. जैसे हम कहते हैं कि हमें बच्चे को ये सिखाना है, जब हम माँ बनते हैं, हमें हमारे दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. just I want to make you feel one thing. Just imagine when you were not a mother. What was your attitude? What were you doing when you were not a mother? When you were expecting, when you were pregnant, when you were an expecting mother, what you were doing? Don't you think you always was observing other mommies in hospitals, in neighborhood, or in your family, get together, wherever you go? What do? You tend to observe other mommies with 1 or 2 year old child, isn't it? We do that. And then we observe, and then we create our own visualization, create our own expectations कि यार मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगी, इसकी मम्मी ने तो इसका ध्यान ही नहीं देती है, या इसे तो टीवी दिखा दिखा के खाना खिलाती है, इसे तो फ़ोन दे देती है, देयर इज़ नो डिसिप्लिन, आई डोंट लाइक दिस, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी that type of mother. We all do this, that's natural, nothing to worry. So it is like, this is the attitude we carry when we were pregnant. And then after we become a mother, what do you think? Why are we so frustrated? Why we are clueless? Why we are not getting to a conclusion कि मुझे ऐसे ऐसे करना है? क्यों चीज़ें जैसे आपने सोची है वैसे फॉल नहीं कर रही है? You've thought that you become a very disciplined mother, but कितने हद तक हम बन पाते हैं? The reason why we get frustrated, because we don't know the basic. We think कि हम बच्चे को सिखाएंगे, और फिर जब बच्चा नहीं सीखता या वैसे रिएक्ट नहीं करता जैसे आप चाहते हैं, then we get frustrated, then we are unhappy, then we try to find out a different way, and then we keep on asking other moms, what do you do, how do you handle, correct? So instead of doing all this, and instead of pressurizing ourselves with all these things, how about we understand the basic of it? How about we understand and learn the art of raising a child? Because yes, of course, it's an art. There is no theory. There is no checklist. So you will have to learn the art of raising a child. And moms who have gone through this phase will definitely agree to me that they have learned the art already. It was a lot of hard work, a lot of sacrifices, it's a big process that you have to go through, my dear friends. So this is just a beginning for you, but good, in your time that you have so many information available around you so that you actually understand how to raise a child. You guys are lucky. Yes, so let me tell you very basic thing here. When we become a mother, first of all, why do we become a mother? Why God has given you this opportunity that you become a mother? We never think that way. We don't do that. Because the moment you become a mother, you have so many things in your plate that you have to go and deliver, and you have so many expectations from your child that you lost in that process. Correct? But today I want to think in this way. Why have you become a mother? Why you got this opportunity? The reason why we all, become a mother, because the universe gives you an opportunity to relive your own life. Don't you think we all relive our life? We relive our childhood. Universe give you an opportunity to learn from your mistakes, to understand that whatever mistakes that you have done in your childhood, in your young age, that you do not repeat in your life ahead. That's why you become a mother. That is why you have to act responsible now. Because when we were not a mother, we were carrying a very casual attitude towards life. The moment you become a mother, the entire life changes. Your beliefs, your thoughts, your lifestyle, everything changes. Don't you think it's such a beautiful thing to feel? So first of all, I would want you all ladies to feel that you've become a mother, that universe has given you an opportunity to relive your entire life and learn lessons from your mistakes, because we all have come in this world to learn our lessons. So child is giving you an opportunity to learn your lesson. They play a very important role in our life to teach lessons to our life that we've been not getting it from anywhere. Problem kahan hoti hai? We as mother, we don't think that we are getting an opportunity to learn something from child. We always think that we have to teach lessons to our child. A child is just born. It's a fresh new soul born into your house. That child will also learn his own lessons in his life, but it's far ahead. It is just a born. So when your child is born, instead of confusing yourself कि मैं इसको कैसे सिखाऊं, कैसे डिसिप्लिन करूं, कैसे मैं एक सोसाइटी में better mother कहलाऊं, that I have inculcated so good habits in my children, instead of pressurizing with all these small things which are not going to be even relevant after a few years, you automatically feel that that's not even relevant what I was doing in his childhood. He's a different personality altogether right now. So instead of doing it, all these things, why don't we understand the purpose behind it? The purpose is that you don't teach any lessons to your children, but your children has come to teach you a lesson. So instead of teaching things to our children and getting pressurized ourselves and getting frustrated, why don't we build an attitude where we keep learning new things? What is our role here? Our role is to just be behind our children and understand the attitude he is born with. ज़्यादातर क्या होता है कि जब हम माँ बनते हैं, हम उसके बच्चे के एटीट्यूड को फोकस नहीं करते कि वो किस एटीट्यूड के साथ बॉर्न हुआ है. एवरीवन इज बॉर्न विद सम यूनिक टैलेंट, यूनिक एटीट्यूड. हर किसी का एक अलग बिहेवियर होता है, हर बच्चे का. तो हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे, इंस्टेड ऑफ teaching new things, we need to understand and observe the attitude of our children, कि कैसे एटीट्यूड है इसका, और उसके बाद उसे समझो, और उसके बाद आप सिर्फ यू बी बिहाइंड ऑलवेज of your children and help your child to create the personality, to be a better version of the personality he is already born with. Don't try to change his personality. You are no one to create a personality, first of all. So we cannot create personalities, but we definitely can help our children to build the attitude he is already born with. We definitely can, create such an environment in our house where your child's brain is developing. सबसे पहले तो जो बच्चे 5 साल के नीचे हैं, below 5 years old children, let me explain you, let me tell you, उनका जो ब्रेन है वो इतना हाइपर एक्टिव है, they themselves are so intelligent, so smart, so hyperactive that you do not have to sit and teach anything to them. And if you're trying to do that, you're going to fail, because they're not ready to listen to you. They're not ready to understand what you want to say, but they have so much of energy. They're born with so fresh energy, good attitude. They all are, hyperactive children. So all you need to do is, instead of, making them that, you sit here, be disciplined, this, that, do. No. Instead of that, you observe the attitude, you create an environment जहाँ automatically बच्चे को एक opportunity मिल रही है कि वो अपने brain को develop करे. Now what type of environment am I telling you to create here? A loving and a caring environment. Because सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चे को क्या समझ में आता है? Love, your love. आप कुछ भी कहें, उसे कुछ नहीं समझ में आता, but child can feel things. They don't understand words, what you're trying to tell them, but they understand the connection and a feeling and a bond that you creating with your child. So instead of focusing कि मैं इस चीज़ को कैसे सिखाऊं, इसको पढ़ाऊं कैसे, और वो सारी चीज़ें, इससे ज़्यादा हमें फोकस करना है that we focus more on creating a bond with our child, a separate bond, जहाँ पे एक बच्चे को ये भरोसा है कि मेरे बिना कहे मम्मी समझ जाएगी, या मम्मी को ये पता है कि मैं सिर्फ एक एक्सप्रेशन दूंगी एंड माई चाइल्ड विल अंडरस्टैंड. हाउ दैट विल हैपन? दैट विल हैपन विथ, you have to give time to your children first of all. Along with the time, you have to give a loving and a caring attitude. Your child should feel that yes, the child is loved by the entire family. और जब वो एक हैप्पी एनवायरनमेंट में रहता है, बच्चे बहुत स्मार्ट होते हैं, वो सारी चीज़ें फील करते हैं ऑटोमेटिकली. आप अगर घर में झगड़ा करेंगे या घर का एनवायरनमेंट अच्छा नहीं है, चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस इन योर चिल्ड्रंस बिहेवियर. इवन इफ दे आर स्मॉल, दे अंडरस्टैंड, दे स्टार्ट क्राइंग. सो हमें क्या करना है? let's make our job easy instead of pressurizing ourselves. We all have to just focus on creating a good environment for your children, and that can happen by your own behavior, how you are behaving in front of your children. If you are behaving lovely, you are behaving in such a manner where your child feel attracted towards you, your child feel that he's loved, the automatically bond will create. And once this bond is created, my dear friends, rest of your life, you don't have to work hard. You have to work hard beginning of your motherhood. Normally what happens when we begin the motherhood, when we begin with, we don't want to work that hard because we're not used to, we just became a mother, we don't know how to do it. So patience level is not there beginning, and then later part what happens, it becomes all the more difficult because you have not spent time with your child, you have not created that bond with your child. And then later on when he goes to school, and then you start comparing with other children, and then you are like, what happened? Why my child is not behaving as the other person's child is behaving? Is he behind? What have I not done? What am I supposed to do? So many questions will come to you later on. So just to avoid all that, I would suggest you, it's very simple. You don't have to, you don't have to learn new things, but you just have to be with your children, create a happy environment, love your children, and children will automatically learn things. Children are super smart in today's life. They learn things automatically. You don't have to teach things. In fact, they have come to teach lessons to us. After a few years, you yourself, will when you will look yourself in a mirror, you definitely will understand what I'm saying here right now. That you have become a different personality altogether after becoming a mother. Then you will realize that yes, my child has taught me so many new things that I wasn't aware of about my own life, because you're going to experience so different emotions now. Your all belief, your all thinking, everything is going to change soon. So be ready for it. Accept everything positively. Stay confident, stay motivated, I would say, and love your children. That's the most important thing that we mothers can do. Create a loving and a caring environment. Create a happy environment, so that your children feel safe, secure, happy, and learning part, you don't worry about it. They automatically will do it. Okay, and it's a long process, it's a lifelong process, it's not going to end so soon. So do not get yourself pressurized. Relax. Everything will fall in place automatically with time. It's a process where child will also learn and you as a parent will also learn. So it's a learning both the ways. Throughout the life, this process is going to go, where parent and children both are learning. Correct? So there is no specific way, my dear friends, that you can handle it. But yes, you definitely can observe your own child's behavior, and accordingly you can build and you can create an environment where the child becomes a better version of his own attitude, of his own personality. Okay, so thank you very much. I think in case if you're struggling with any specific child's behavior, where you are confused, where you don't know how to react, how to overcome with that, so you definitely can write me on a YouTube and I will come up with a separate video on that. Thank you so much, friends. Bye bye.